How to use your Amazon gift card balance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use your Amazon gift card balance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to redeem your gift card. To redeem your gift card, you can simply search for redeem an Amazon gift card. So let's search for that. And after you do that, you can then head over to the Redeem website. So if you don't find it right here, what you can do is head over to this help page. This is the customer support section right here, where you'll find redeem a gift card option. Tap on that. So from here, you will be able to redeem your gift card. So type in the code right here, whatever the code is, then tap on apply to your account. After that, the balance will get added to your account like here. And after the balance has been added to your account, you can then head over to your Amazon. You can directly go to your cart as well to basically find something that you want to buy. So I don't know, maybe let's say that I want to buy something from Amazon. So I just go to its official website, search for something, and add it to my cart. So let's tap on this random stuff here. And what happens here is whenever you try to check out with the product here, so let's say this one right here. So whenever I tap on a product and go through with the checkout process or by adding it to my cart and everything, what will happen is the balance that we previously redeemed from our gift card will automatically get deducted from our final price for your Amazon's product that you want to buy. So this doesn't seem to be working. So yeah, basically the amount that you got from your balance will get reduced from your total balance that's in your basket or whatever order you want to place. And yeah, if there is still some amount left, you can use your payment method to make that, you can use your payment method that you already have in your Amazon to make the final payment. And that's basically how you use it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.